Do you know who are the first riders from India going around the globe?
Around the globe.
Yes. Starting from India, there were a lot of problems. You couldn't go to Pakistan. Then they took a ship to Kuwait. From Kuwait, they moved into Turkey. From there, whole of Africa. Then there was enough, wars and conflicts between different states in Africa. They went through hell through Amazon. They got arrested in Algeria. From there, how they got out of that place again, thanks to when they saw Indian bikes come crossing the Sahara. So they said these guys are somebody different and special. So the Algerians left them. From there, they went to Europe. Uh, Two of them came back, two continued, and they went up to America, but shipped it. They went through all the 27, 28 states.
So you're
ended up
talking about these guys who drove
it
all the
the
way
way
from
from Jamshedpur. The first team from India that went around the globe was from Jamshedpur. And they were telco employees, four of them. Sampuran Singh, Manmohan Singh, Subhash Sharma, and one Mr. Kher.
they took the bike from Jamshedpur. Those
Think
days,
of the resilience. Passports were difficult to get, visas were difficult to get, dollars milte nahi the. Okay. And there was no communication, there was no GPSs, there was a language problem, and there were weather condition problems because here one end is Sahara, the other end is Alps. Okay. They have to go through a lot of kind of rerouting every time, and there's no logistics as such available. So you can imagine the kind of tenacity and the adrenaline flow that is required to make it happen.
yes,
So now if you think of those conditions when one has to do it, what are the kind of characteristics required in a person to be able to complete it? It's phenomenal.